Hey guys, we're in Frankfurt, Germany.
At the Christmas market.
Oh yeah.
So we're so excited to take you along. We're gonna show you the food, the drinks, the treasures, ornaments, candles, chocolate, whatever. So atmosphere. So
It's good. West Coast.
stay tuned. We're taking you along.
Full experience, Rummenberg Christmas market.
Chili?
Yeah, chili.
Yes. Very good.
Spicy. Guys, joining us today, my sister Megan is with us, so she's gonna come along for the journey as well.
This is Romaberg. So this is one of the biggest and oldest in all of Germany.
Oh yeah, Christmas market, guys. We're gonna explore. Let's go. I'm gonna go check this out.
So you have some popcorn on this side. You have your sweet and savory popcorn.
Yeah.
It looks like you have some lanterns here.
I think it's paper.
Yeah,
I'm not sure. Paper lanterns. Okay.
Yeah, very colorful.
Oh yeah.
Very beautiful. They light up.
Oh yeah. There's so many of them.
So you have some trinkets on this side. So each of these booths are very pretty and they're decorated differently and they're very themed.
Okay. Sweets everywhere, hon.
Yeah, more sweets. So this market, apparently it's like one of the oldest. So I think that I read it's like it dates back to like the 14th century. And of course it was different back then, right? Because I think the market used to be, you can buy like things getting ready for the winter and so forth. But and now they're like expanded all over Europe. So each of these cities have them. Like I think we mentioned like what to do in December, and we spoke about the Christmas market in Krakow, how beautiful that was. So, equally here.
Lots of sweets.
Lots of sweets. Look at this one, babe. How beautiful this is.
Yeah, it's
Christmas colors.
Oh yeah? Let's go check it out.
Als Beiwagen was. Ach so. Was kann ich? Pommes habt ihr? Ja. Da kommst du durch.
Guys, the original cheringa. So many different types of sausages. It looks great. Hi. So it's the
So you were
cheringa?
saying this is like the most popular pork sausage in Germany?
Which
So
one is it?
all of this one, the white, the cholera color one is pork, and the dark color one is beef.
Okay.
Beef. Okay. Beef. And then is that steak in the middle?
Yeah, pork steak.
Sports.
Yeah.
Oh, pork steak.
And charcoal as well.
Yeah.
So Anne-Marie doesn't eat pork, but I'm gonna try one. Can I have a cheringa?
The original.
Original. Oh yeah.
Original.
Original.
Yeah, €5.
Okay.
So what type of spices do you put on it?
Ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise.
Okay. Thank you.
So I got a cheringa. I'm gonna put some ketchup and what's this?
Mustard, maybe?
Mustard. All right. I don't need too much of this stuff.
What do you think, Boo?
I'm just trying to cut off my head, so I'll come down.
I have your head.
Yeah, that's much better. If you didn't tell me it's pork, I wouldn't know. But actually, it doesn't have much of a flavor. It's a sausage. It tastes like meat. It tastes like chicken. If you didn't tell me it's pork, I wouldn't know.
But does it have any spices or
No, it's very plain.
Okay.
It's actually plain. It's juicy though. But it's actually very plain. It's not much of a taste to it.
Can you taste the smokiness from the charcoal?
A little bit.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, son.
Oh, babe, this is so beautiful.
Romaberg.
So this section is like gorgeous. Like look at it. Like you have all the huts, but then like the backdrop are those like timbered style homes at the back.
Yeah.
So you know, like a nice German architecture. And you have, I guess, a church, cathedral or something like that in the background.
Yeah, we're gonna go check that out. But as you get in, there are lots of stalls and different things going on. Is this some, what's over here, chestnuts or? Oh yeah, it's chestnuts. Oh, tamarind and chestnuts. Man, that's a big roaster. Is the roaster back here? Probably.
We gotta try that another time. And babe, look at this Christmas tree. Like, look how tall that is.
Oh, it's huge.
I wonder how they get it here.
Maybe it stays there, huh?
You think it stays there?
Oh, possibly. Possibly. I don't know, guys.
So this market is so busy. Like, I read like 3 million people visit this market every year. And you know, I think it opens at 10 in the morning and it goes until 9 at night. So we're gonna have to show you the nighttime experience as well. So look at it. There's so much happening here.
And I've got to answer this question about the tree. Is it real or not?
Oh, it's real.
It's a real tree?
And,
Oh, let's see.
and it looks like they got it here somehow.
What? Yeah, it's a real tree. Wanna get some wine?
We're recording on YouTube. It's okay?
It's okay.
Okay.
YouTube's okay.
Okay.
All right.
So tell us about what type of wines you have.
I've got like the red traditional, the white traditional, apple wine, cherry, and fried apple.
Okay. And all are alcoholic, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you
10%.
10% alcohol. Okay. So the most famous is the mulled wine.
It's the mulled wine, but
Yeah.
If someone asks what do you recommend, I recommend the fried apple, and I give you a little bit of taste.
Okay.
Okay. So you're gonna try which wine?
The fried apple.
Okay.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Danka.
Bitte.
Danka. How's it, hun?
There's a very spicy. I can smell like the cloves, I think, and like
Yeah.
some cinnamon.
Cinnamon is
Yeah?
inside,
Yeah?
Orange juice is inside.
Orange juice, yeah. Swear.
Is it sweet or is it strong or?
Yep, it's not very strong alcoholic, but it's very sweet.
Okay.
Not too sweet. And it has a nice flavor. Hey, try it.
Okay, I will.
Okay.
You're right. It's a bit sweet. You know, I drink vodka and stuff, so it's light. It's not that much alcohol, guys. Only 10%. Lightweight.
You got the red one.
And this is the red one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna try the red one now.
Okay.
I think I like the red one better.
This is glue wine?
Blue wine, yeah.
Glue
Glue
wine.
Okay, so guys, blue wine. Check it out, hun.
Okay, here we go.
You seen it?
Yep. Let me get the barrel here. Hold on, babe, hold on. This is the barrel, glue wine.
Okay.
So do you have non-alcoholic? Yes, I have the hot chocolate and grape juice and hot.
Tell her we can't trust people who don't drink alcohol.
No, we don't trust people who don't drink alcohol.
Well, we're kidding. We're kidding.
You're right. We don't trust folks who don't drink.
Silver one. Okay, thank you so much. Danka. Cheers. So this is $7, but then you also have a deposit. So you have the choice of keeping the cup. So that's the $7. If you bring the cup back, then you receive €3 back.
So €4 for the drink plus 3 for the deposit,
Yes,
right?
yes. You did it better than me, babe. I think I said it was warm, but just in case, it is a warm drink. So, you know, in the winter time when it's cold, like right today, it's like what, 32 degrees Fahrenheit or so. So, you know, it warms you up and keep your body warm. So, it's, you know, it's really nice. You know, only 10% alcohol, and out here it's so gorgeous. So,
Wow, there's food everywhere. I need to try some bratwurst or currywurst or some other things as well, hon.
yeah, some of the warm beverages,
Oh yeah.
the mulled wine. Beautiful this is, like the color of the bourbons and the as a backdrop.
Oh yeah.
And each of these huts are so well decorated and themed, so you can tell that they put a lot of thought into their designs and their stalls.
Oh yeah.
This one is like all candles.
That's pretty cool. More sweets.
And more sweets and some fruit as a backdrop. Yeah.
I think, hun, the sweets strategically placed beside the carriage for the kids.
I think I saw some adults on there too. Though.
Yeah. So in this spot, guys, you can have some hot wine and beer and some other drinks as well. Check out this, the size of this, huh? Okay, that's good. I can see.
Oh, it's fondue.
Yes.
Oh,
Fondue,
fondue.
and the same for both.
Yeah.
Oh, we thought it was like a
But
hot wine or something.
No, it's
Fondue.
the other side.
Okay, so fondue.
yeah.
Okay, it's pretty cool. Oh wow, this is pretty cool.
Yeah.
And we should maybe come back and try some
Maybe come
fondue.
back and try some fondue. Yeah. So
Yeah.
later.
So there's hot wine everywhere.
Wine. Yeah.
What's it called? Blue wine? Blue wine? Yeah? Guys, we're butchering this stuff. Tell us how we're doing.
You say, yeah, we have some Jamaican Americans in Germany.
And Canadian accent. It's all over the place.
But what do you guys think about this market? Drop us a comment.
Oh yeah. What do you think of these buildings, guys?
Beautiful market you've seen, or would you visit here? So check out our what to do in December video as well.
Oh yeah, make sure you check us out on that. So many different foods to try.
So this one looks like for the meat lovers.
Oh yeah.
So what are you gonna try, babe?
I think I'm gonna try the currywurst. So there's currywurst, bratwurst. It looks like they have some fries and some other things. So let me go see.
Okay.
Hello. Can I have a currywurst, please? A currywurst.
Beef.
Beef currywurst.
Very good.
Yeah, very well. Okay. Beef currywurst. So many different sausages, guys. I guess there's beef and pork. How much is it? €4.50.
Yes.
All right.
Very good.
Very good. All right, we'll see. I'm gonna taste it and see. Where do you pay? Right here too. And check out the different sauces, and then look at some other stuff down here. And then there's some potato fries and stuff. I mean, it's a whole lot. Woo, time to eat. It's good? West Coast.
Oh, yeah, it is. So this
This is the currywurst with beef sausage.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, you got bread too.
See if it's a hot chili.
Hot chili? Sure. I'll take some chili.
Chili?
Yeah, chili.
Yes. Very good.
Spicy, huh?
Yes.
Much is creamy.
So he's gonna sprinkle some hot chili on there.
All right.
All right.
And then
So already
currywurst and bread.
it comes with a side of bread.
Okay. Woo!
So So it's pretty much like sausage with curry sauce, right, babe? Or curry powder?
Yeah, so very spicy because he put some chilies on it. Sausage with curry sauce, and it looks like it's not quite a ketchup, but a spicy sauce. Pretty good. You want to try it and see?
So, okay. All right, let's see here.
Hold on 1 minute. What's it like, hon?
This is sausage. You can taste the smokiness on it. It's very soft inside.
Yeah?
It's not very spicy at all.
Not very spicy?
Not very spicy.
Well, you didn't get any with chili. You got to look good.
And yeah, it's like drizzled with the curry powder on top. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
And the reason why it's spicy because he put some chili on some, so.
Yeah, it's like curry. It's like curry sausage, but if you're from like the Caribbean, it's not like their true curry, you know.
How's it, Megan?
That was a real turmeric. A lot of German spices. A bit different.
Okay.
So they have it where you can tell what's inside of the chocolate covering. So you have Reese's, some kind of cake, bananas, what's the dragon fruit,
Yeah, dragon fruit.
and some what's that, like a alcohol drink?
Oh yeah, that looks pretty cool.
All kind of varieties. It's like a multicolored pack that you can buy. It's a great Christmas gift too, right?
It's something you won't be soon forgetting. It's something we can share and take with us
So guys, if you want the freshest food, say come at noon or when the market just opens. In the evening it's quite busy. Even when it's raining, you got a lot of people out. But you won't get the freshest food, but it's good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, one love.